Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing a K and N intake filter. All that does is increase intake noise, but until PRL drops their high volume intake, this is all we got, but let's get into it. First things first, obviously, we want to open our hood. Next, all we need to do is take off these 3 clips for the mass airflow sensor. Just fold that back. All right, next step is we're going to remove this tab right here. Pretty easy. All we need to do is pull up and it comes right out. Pretty simple. All right, next up, we're going to move 2 tabs for the airbox. This one right here and another one over here. Oh, shit. Also, do this on a cold car. Yeah, the engine's right there. Shit. All right, that's loose. All you need to do is just, it comes right out. Easy. There it is. Next, just want to remove the filter. Pull it right out, right down. This goes right in. Oh. Like that. All right, and we just reconnect everything with 2 tabs to hold down the airbox and the mass airflow harness. All right, that's it. All right, my car has about 2,200 miles on it. This is what the air filter already looks like. It's pretty dirty, but I don't know how long this is supposed to last and if you're able to clean it, but I know with a K&N filter, it should last up to 75,000 miles and you're able to clean it. So, great upgrade to me. All right, that's the end of the video. It's a pretty simple install. Anyone can do it themselves in 5 minutes. Just make sure you do it on the cold engine so you don't burn yourself. But here's some clips of some revs and flybys.